Hello there, foreign beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about some alternatives to deodorant. Specifically, more if you use like natural deodorants. Some alternatives that you can use. These are great because they give you a break from deodorant and they're using more of what's in your kitchen already, like oil, essential oils. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. If you're new here, hi, I'm EuniyceMari, and here we talk about all things skincare, acne skincare specifically. We also do get ready with me product reviews. So if you are not subscribed, take a moment and subscribe, and also thumbs up this video if you like the content in which I give you. I have talked about, as many of you guys know who have been rocking with me for a long time, I have been natural under the arms for a very long time. As far as like natural deodorants, natural alternatives, nothing with aluminum. If you are new here, or if you are someone who has been watching me just happen to miss it, I have a full playlist talking about all things for the underarm when it comes to like natural deodorants and natural alternatives and things of that sort. So I will leave that above so you guys can go and check that out and get more information on underarm care and all of that. So here are some alternatives, some quick alternatives that you can use if you don't want to use deodorant or you want to just give your underarms a break. First thing first is a holy grail of mine. It always works. It is amazing, and that is some good old coconut oil. Okay, so with coconut oil, it is an antibacterial, antimicrobial. It also has a great fatty acid to it, which is a great moisturizer for the underarms. So after you shower, after you cleanse the arms, you definitely want to just take this and you will rub it underneath your arms, and that's it. This helps with getting rid of any underarm odor and keeping odor away. So coconut oil is a staple of mine. Definitely keeps my underarms looking their best, feeling their best, and smelling their best. Okay, now you could use that alone, or you can pair it with any of these essential oils that I have here. First one first, which is one of my favorites to use, is, hold on, peppermint oil. So after I apply my coconut oil, I put a few drops of the peppermint oil under the underarm, and you smell like minty fresh all day. Okay, peppermint oil is another antimicrobial, antibacterial, and it's very like soothing. This helps to get rid of and prevent any odor under the arm as well. And at first it can come off a little strong because I did it the other day. You probably seen it in my community tab. I feel like I smelled like a walking candy cane, but as it kind of like, you know, calmed down and it actually became like that soft peppermint, it smelled really great, and it mixed with my vanilla body like perfume and stuff perfectly. So I definitely like to put a little bit of peppermint oil underneath my arms. Now I think peppermint oil people usually don't have like an irritation to, but just in case, I always say be mindful when it comes to essential oils, not using too much and making sure to dilute them with a oil so that you don't have a reaction to them, and or do a test on your skin to see if you have a reaction to it before like putting it under your arm. So yeah, peppermint is one of my all-time favorites. One of my second favorites to use is tea tree. Now we all know tea tree is the powerhouse. It is known for healing, getting rid of bacteria, all of that. I like to use tea tree, but let me tell you something. Tea tree does not smell the best for me. I don't want to walk around smelling like a tea tree. I do not grab for this as often, but tea tree is great to use underneath the arms because once again it is antibacterial. It will definitely knock any type of odors out the way. Yeah, like tea tree is always a great one. And lastly, lavender oil. Now lavender oil is amazing. It is very calming, very soothing. It of course has that same property as the rest of these. It is very antimicrobial, antibacterial, and it smells good. I mean, it's not that lavender isn't one of my favorite scents, but it is something that I don't mind when it comes to the underarms. But it's just, it smells really great, it smells really soft. And you can also like pair essential oils together and place them under the arms as well to like customize your scent and all that. You can also melt down your coconut oil and you can also melt down your coconut oil and then place a few drops of your essential oil into your coconut oil and apply it to your underarm as well. So there's so many different ways that you can go about doing this, and you can use other essential oils like lemon essential oil, or just a straight lemon underneath the arms as well. That's also one of my favorites. So these are just some great alternatives to really keep away scent. I want to say to keep away body odor, because natural deodorants aren't really made to keep you from sweating, just to keep you fresh. So these are great for keeping you fresh, great for keeping away the odor from underneath the arms. And it's as simple as using things that you may already have in your cabinet, or you can easily find a lot of these on Amazon or your local GNC or any other type of like health store. Whole Foods, even Trader Joe's may have a few things. So they're very easy to get your hands on and very easy to combine and to use. Also, make sure you take a moment and check out my playlist about my natural deodorants, natural underarm care talk. You will find a lot of great resources there that will help you along the way if you are transitioning from regular deodorants to natural deodorants, or if you already are using natural deodorants and you just want more information on how you can use other things as well. And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in a later video.